I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Ay, ay,
Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Día es de fiesta, de alcohol María en la dieta. Tengo estamina como atleta. Esto es un party de John Z. Todo el mundo anda ruleta. Echa las maletas porque mañana cojo un avión pa' la puñeta. Dame de esos rositas en la receta. Una moñita de esa capeta. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you gave to me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes sometimes and feel as if I float away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a daily. You say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. That ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Daily, daily, get to do the shit I love up on a daily. Every single day, cause I love my occupation.
De vacaciones,
You don't like your life, then you should go and change it.
de vacaciones cogemos el B&B,
villas y mansiones.
Mujeres bien borrachas cantando todas las canciones. Ponche de alcohol,
Bien llenos los jarrones. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day, hey. GM, everybody, and welcome to this, your daily dose of Web3 morning motivation. We're coming live on X, we're coming live on YouTube, we're coming live on Facebook and LinkedIn, so no matter how you are receiving this message, welcome to the space that aims to entertain you, educate you, and motivate you every single morning in just 40 to 45 minutes. As you come in, please make sure that you smash that like button, the retweet button, the comment button, the bell notifications buttons, I mean all the buttons, because that's how you tell the algorithm that this is the content that you want to push up to people's timeline, because this is the content that brings the vibes, the mojo, and all the energy that you need to get your day started. So, without further ado, let's get this show started. Welcome back. This is your host, Degen Abe. We got a very special show prepared for all of you guys, today, because we're going to be talking about all you need to know about how the Ethereum whales are gobbling up all the top ETH ecosystem tokens. Just days prior to the US markets approving the Ethereum ETFs for live trading. And we will also, of course, cover all the latest news happening in the world of cryptocurrencies. We will also talk about our decentralized autonomous technology, the Degen wallet, and give you all the latest things that are going on and theirs. Now, if you're keen on joining our community and getting access to these cutting-edge technologies, simply follow the OpenSea link that is in my bio or in the description of YouTube, depending if you're watching on X or if you are watching on YouTube, because from the outset, our vision has been to empower our community with unmatched financial freedom. We began by minting out our NFT collection back in May 2023. This collection is the only ticket that grants you access to beta test all of our technology before anybody else. It's also the only way that you can earn freshly minted Mula tokens as a reward for helping us battle test our technology. We're also about to release our Degen wallet into the market. Just in a few weeks now that our Mula token is live and trading on exchanges. But let me tell you something, guys. This is more than just a wallet. This is the pinnacle of a Web3 bank, revolutionizing decentralized finance, Web3, and NFT management. And we do this because our mission is to bring decentralized autonomous technology to the masses, creating a world where everyone can thrive in a safe and secure digital environment. But now I don't want to move forward without first giving a big shout out to all our Degens in the house. Your support means everything to us, and we want you to know that if you join our Telegram community, link in the description, and you know we're keeping track of all the raids and all the engagement across all our social media accounts. And there is a big airdrop coming into the forest very soon, and all your likes, all your retweets, all your comments, everything that you farm on Telegram will count towards that airdrop. So you know we're gonna be making Mula rain, and you don't want to miss out. So keep that engagement coming, and let's make some magic together. How about that, right? Now, before we move into the news section, we got a ton of great things coming up to you. We're even waiting for the devs to talk to us. We got the Mula page getting released today. Today we got our official Mula page goes live today, so don't miss out on that. It can happen on any moment now. We're waiting to hear from the devs. We have been deving all morning long, trying to get this pushed out into the server. So we are just waiting for confirmation on that. So stay tuned. Grab a cup of coffee, relax, because we're about to have some fun. But before we get into the news, I just want you to know that here on this channel, all we want here at the Degen Forest is for you to be happy.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier.
That's it. That's all we want here at the Forest. We just want you to be happy, to live a life that is stress-free. We don't want you on the 15-minute chart pulling your hairs, trying to figure out what is happening, why is Bitcoin going down, why my bags are getting wrecked. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. Here on this channel, we teach you the map. We show you the things that are about to happen before they happen so that you can live stress-free. We also show you how it is that we buy bottoms and we only sell tops. So if you have been selling any of your bags during this downtime, let me tell you something, my man. You're doing it wrong. I'm sorry to break your bubble, boo-boo, but you are doing it wrong because the parabola phase is about to start after the Ethereum ETF gets announced, after the Bitcoin conference that is about to come here in July 25th. And if you have not been following up with that and you are just selling all your bags, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. You have been doing it wrong. So you need to get back into the market. So take advantage of this dip to get back into the market, because right now it looks like we're getting wrecked again, right? It looks like we're getting wrecked again, right? Because the paper hands don't understand what is really going on, and they're allowing a short-term FUD, a momentary FUD incited by the German government to shake them out of the market. And the whales have been gobbling up. The whales are the ones who have been purchasing, and we're going to show you some charts, and we're going to show you some information that will make you open the eyes here, because Ethereum whales, guys, they have been just taking everything. They have been literally taking everything. But before we get into the news, before we do the news rundown, you know that we have to come and check the Bitcoin chart. We gotta look at the Bitcoin chart before we can move forward. Bitcoin sitting right now at $57,000, $506. And everybody's wondering what happened. Well, yesterday we, last 2 days, I want you to focus on these two candles right here. Let's focus on these two candles right here. So this is yesterday and this is the day before. So you can see these powerful wicks into the upside, right? Piercing through the 200 EMA, but we were not able to remain above. But why is it that we were not able to remain above, guys? Why is it? It's because we have the German government selling. So this is not, you need to understand that this price movement is artificial, right? This is not the market saying we think that Bitcoin should be priced at $57,000. This is not the market saying this is what we think. This is one actor, only one individual who happens to have way too much Bitcoin, offloading all of that Bitcoin into the market, causing a temporary, short-lived downside momentum. So, but you know, if you don't put things into perspective, if you don't do all three analysis, right? You gotta do the fundamental analysis and you gotta do the technical analysis, but you have to also do the sentimental analysis. And if you're missing any of those three, you're doing this wrong, my friend, because if you are just doing TA, if you're just looking at the charts, if you're just basing your investment decisions based on what you see on the chart, you will not be able to spot manipulated actions like the ones we see right now happening with the German government doing this. So, and how do we know that? Look at the chart right here. So we see that Bitcoin came heavily down, but let's look at Ethereum. Oh, what happened to Ethereum? Ethereum did wanted to close above that 200 EMA. I will have loved to see Ethereum, but look at that candle versus that candle. Any difference? Look at that candle, and then look at this candle. Look how close to the EMA this candle closed. I've been telling you guys, is Ethereum the one that is going to lead us out of this downside? Is Ethereum the one that is going to lead the charge? And we can start already seeing signs of that on the chart. But the fundamentals is what literally give us the clarity here, because we have already crossed, if you look at the technicals, we have a decision time to make. We're getting close to decision time. If you were to ask me, we're gonna break to the upside. Everybody thinks and everybody is expecting to break to the downside because Bitcoin was not able to close this candle yesterday above the 200 EMA. So every technical analysis, every technical trader out there will be is telling you right now, we're going lower. We're gonna go to 50,000. We may go below 50. They're all screaming up at the top of their lungs. They're gonna be caught with their pants down. Let me tell you that right now. I'm gonna tell you that right now. All of them are gonna get caught with their pants down because they think that Bitcoin is gonna go lower. It's not going to go lower, guys. It's not going to go lower because we have a very, very, very strong. And if you were on Telegram yesterday, the moment this happened, I went to Telegram and I alerted you guys about this fact right here because we just had a cross on the weekly stochastic RSI. So the stochastic RSI on the weekly, we had already a successful bullish cross after coming out of a fake out, which is also very important for context. And even during the fake out, we did have a massive rally that took us close to the all-time highs, right? You know, this little fake out was strong enough to send us all the way to retest those previous all-time highs. And we just had this cross coming right here. So this is the weekly candle, and the weekly candle still has 2 days to go. 2 days to go on the weekly candle. And if we get a weekend pump in preparation, because next week, everybody's expecting that sometime next week, we're gonna have an Ethereum ETF approval. And if it's not next week, it's the following one, guys. It's either next week or the following one. But all bets are right now on around the 18-ish, right? So, do you really think we're going to continue to go down when we have a massive Ethereum ETF approval and when we see that BlackRock and every ETF has been purchasing this dip with both hands? Make it make sense. Everybody will continue to tell you, we're going lower. Sit down and watch. Sit down and watch, because we're not going lower. We may have momentary, volatility. We on the daily chart, we can have a week that goes, like a massive week off that comes back up. But when you look at that weekly, we're stronger than ever. And even with the Germany government taking down so much, it has not been able to shake us completely out of the market. It has not been able. The bears have tried the most they can, but they have not been able to force us to break structure. And yesterday we have the CPI data come in lower than expected. We had the CPI annual inflation coming at 3% when the market was expecting a 3.1%, and then the core CPI came in at 3.3% when the whole market was waiting for this to be a 3.4%. What does this mean? Bullish. Bullish, baby. That's it. And we have not been able to price this in because the German government is being putting so much pressure that everybody's with their hands off. The whales don't want to buy the German bag. We don't want to give the Germans money because they came with no regard to us, with no regard for the market to dump. Why do you think whales will be buying them? So everybody's like this, hands off the charts. Hands off the buy and sell button right now. That's what everybody's doing. Waiting. Just waiting for what is about to happen. There's a big amount of money sitting on the sidelines, just waiting for what's about to happen. Understand that. So if you think that we're going to go lower, and you think that you're going to be able to cash Bitcoin at $50,000 over this weekend, you're about to make the biggest mistake of your life. So please, I will beg you, do not allow this bear trap to shake you out. We are about to print millionaires. We're about to melt faces. The parabola phase that is about to start is about to take everybody by surprise, but not us here at the Degen Forest, because we are ready. We have been ready. And if you have a Mula token bag, you know that it's after the king moves where the fun begins. So we're just waiting for that here. We're just watching everything happen, looking the JITs get out, allowing everybody who is a JIT that is not following up with us, that doesn't understand our business model, our revenue proposals, our technology. We're just letting them go. Let them go. Because after the king moves, after Bitcoin hits a new all-time high in the upcoming weeks, that's when the fun will begin right here on the Degen Forest. So I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready for it. I hope you're ready for it. Because things are about to get crazy. And like I was telling you guys, the German government is selling up to 2,700 Bitcoin. In the past hour, the German government sent a bunch of Bitcoin, but this is the good news. Let me show you some charts here. Let me show you these charts. So this is the German government, sending to different exchanges. You can see some of the flow of the data. You can see, the way the Degens have been analyzing these wallets is amazing. They have been tracing every single Bitcoin and to see exactly where is that they're sending and how is that they're moving this Bitcoin around. But what really matters here is this. This is what matters. They only have 300 million worth of Bitcoin left, so they're almost out. If you look at this chart right here, right above my head, you look at this chart. This is when they confiscated the Bitcoin. Then the price appreciating, right? And then, actually, this is the balances. So the balance is going up. And then right here, boom, they start dumping. So they're more than halfway through it. They only have, like I said, $300 million left at best. So everybody's just waiting for him. Okay, sell it all. Don't worry. Everybody's like this, just waiting for the German government to sell it all off. And once they're all out, then is when you're going to see the Bitcoin whales step in. Watch. And it's going to be around the Bitcoin conference, right? Like I told you, I've been telling you, Trump is coming to Nashville and he's coming to the Bitcoin conference. I hope you come. I hope you're coming. I'll be right here waiting for all of you guys to have some fun. If you are part of our community, let me know. Shoot me a DM if you are coming. So let's arrange something. But I will be definitely all up and down Broadway and the Music City Center where the event is going to be taking place. Rubbing shoulders with KOLs, showing our technology right in front of their faces, showing them the magic of the Degen wallet and enticing them to come and grab a Mula bag. So I hope that you're ready, because we're going to be doing all of that work right here on Nashville on July 25th to the 27th. We're going to be aligning. We got a lot of stuff planned, to capture the attention of several key opinion leaders in the market who will be showing to the conference. I am a local, so I'll be showing up. I'll be even offering transportation to them from different venues if they want to, and if anybody needs transportation back in and out, we can arrange that. So many things that we can do to position ourselves, that we are doing to position ourselves in the middle of all these great conversations that will be happening during that conference. During that conference, Donald J. Trump, the previous president and the next president of the United States, as far as every poll says right now, will be showing up at the Bitcoin conference. And he will be unveiling his Bitcoin plan. So he will be unveiling, there will be several breaking news coming out of that conference. And do you think for a second, just think, guys. Common sense here, please. Do you think that the Bitcoin whales and the Bitcoin maxis are going to allow Donald Trump to look bad? Think about it. Think about it for a second. Do you think that they're going to allow Donald Trump to look bad? Let's remember last cycle, 2020. Were you here on 2020? I was. I hope you remember when we had the Bitcoin conference, not in Nashville, it was previously in Miami. So glad that they moved it to a better venue. Wait until you see the venue here on Nashville and all the city, all the things that how everything is right there, unlike on Miami that you have to be traveling from the venue all the way to Ocean Drive if you want to be in the action, and it is very hard to be on both places at the same time. Here in Nashville, everything will be more concentrated in one location, and all the satellite parties and all the satellite events will be taking place very close to the main event location, so which makes it very convenient for all the attendants. So last cycle when this took place on Miami, we had Nayib Bukele, the president of El Salvador, come in via a Zoom call to announce that they were going to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender in the little small country of El Salvador. I've been there many times, love the country, have family there. Big shout out to all our family members down in El Salvador and of course Honduras. This is where my main place, where I live. I'm not from Honduras, but I do live down there. My wife is from there, so we know the region very well. And back then, in 2020, the president of El Salvador came out to the Bitcoin conference to say that they were going to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender on El Salvador. And the whales, the Bitcoin whales, pumped Bitcoin to new all-time highs. It was everybody. You had to see it. If you were here, don't let me lie. Literally, following that event, everybody put on laser eyes on Twitter. Do you remember the laser eyes? Start calling from a 100,000 Bitcoin, and Bitcoin started a parabola move that took us to the crazy levels that we are now challenging now. We didn't get to the 100,000 because we never get to the target that everybody's calling. So if everybody's telling you that we're going to 50,000, we're not going to 50,000. If everybody's telling you we're going to 100,000, then we're not going to 100,000. This cycle, everybody's calling 250, 200,000. So I do believe we're going to break the six-figure mark this cycle, but that is yet to be seen. Nonetheless, that is what took place last cycle. So by just having the president of another country showing up to do a major announcement, that was the catalyst the market needed. That was kind of the dog whistle to all the whales to step in. What do you think is going to happen when Donald J. Trump unveils their cryptocurrency plans for the United States at the Bitcoin conference? What do you think is going to happen? Do you think that the whales will make him look bad when he's the most pro-crypto candidate we ever had in this country? Do you think that the whales will not step in? I will doubt that. They will step in. And everybody's just been waiting on that. So everybody's right now hands off the charts. Hands off the sell button. Hands off the buy button. Why? Because everybody's waiting for that conference to come, and watch how Bitcoin is going to be pumped into the moon and beyond after that conference takes place. Mark my words, because it's the exact same thing that took place last cycle and the cycle before that. Remember, the cycle before that, the 2017 cycle, it was not the Bitcoin conference. As a matter of fact, I don't think we had a major Bitcoin conference back then. We had the consensus conference. So back then, the biggest conference in the space was the consensus. So when consensus went to New York in 2017, if I am not mistaken, if I remember right, that's when big announcements came in at that conference, and then that was the catalyst that took us into new all-time highs. So the same is going to happen, but now the consensus conference is not such a big conference anymore. It's actually the Bitcoin conference, the one that is going to take place in Nashville, the one that is used as the main stage for major announcements in the industry. So if you understand that part, then you know that we're going We're going to the moon after the event. So I hope that I'm giving you a clear timeline. Nobody knows the exact date. I cannot tell you, oh, this is the exact date, but I'm just giving you the roadmap. I'm just giving you the map. When you see the king move, when you see Bitcoin hit a new all-time high, that's when you see a lot of fun happening here at the Degen Forest with the Mola token. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. That's all I can say for now. That's all I can say for now. Now, if we just take a quick look at well, I was looking at the Fear and Greed Index right here. So look at the Fear and Greed Index. We are in extreme fear, baby. We are in extreme fear. And as you can see, Alex Becker says here that the fact that we are at extreme fear at these prices is extremely bullish on the future, because think about this for a second. If $50,000 is the new low, you know, the new fear point, right? Then my word have come a long way. Exactly. If we're just worried that we're just gonna go to 50,000, so that is the bottom. Everybody's scared. Oh my God, we're going to 50,000. If that is the new fear bottom, what's about to come is about to melt faces, because 50,000. We're talking $7,000 below of current price, and you guys are scared. I mean, did you get here yesterday? Don't you understand what is about to take place in the market? I mean, don't let them fool you. Don't let them fool you. Don't let them whales fool you. That is the reality. Because the last time crypto felt this death was in December 2022, on January 2023, during the bottom of the bear market. Remember when in November and December of 2022, I was telling everybody, you gotta buy now. This is the time to buy. Buy the bottom. This is the bottom. Buy, buy, buy. The bull cycle started on February 2023, in case you didn't know. The bottom was on December 2022. So it was on January, February 2023 when this bull cycle we are on right now that officially started. Now, we have not yet confirmed. Well, we did confirm it the moment we broke the all-time high back in March? But we're not done. Because we need to go at least another 2x above the previous all-time high to finalize the current bull cycle. So we have already been in this cycle for well over 1 year. I hope you understand that, because that's what we do here. We buy bottoms, we sell tops. But in terms of the sentiment, remember, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, sentiment analysis. So in terms of the sentiment, we have not been here since 2022. Apathy, anger, disenchantment dominate all over the timeline. Everybody is wrecked. Everybody and their mom feels wrecked right now, despite the fact that we're at $57,000. I mean, I don't know why everybody's feeling wrecked, but that is what the market does to you. That is what, when you allow artificial movements, when you allow the whales to manipulate your perception of reality, you feel wrecked. You feel horrible. But what you need to understand that what is coming your way is about to break and melt faces, not only on Bitcoin, but look at what altcoins are about to do. So here you have the total two market cap, right? This is the total two altcoins. And we have just entered what is known as the reload zone. So everybody's accumulating. This is the accumulate zone right here. Reload zone, reload zone. So we just entered that zone. We're kind of coming out. This is what's coming next, guys. You need to understand, this is what's coming next. This is the total market cap. This is total 2, I think. No, it's total, total 2. Total market cap excluding Bitcoin. So this is total 2. So the sentiment is telling us we're at the bottom. and the technicals is also telling us we are at the bottom. What are you guys doing? Are you selling? Are you selling here? Are you going to all your bags and you're just jitting your bags like the jit you are? Well, you're about to get wrecked. You're about to get wrecked. That's the reality. That's the reality. Ethereum is reclaiming the 200-day EMA with the ETFs approaching fast. So hold here successfully. And I wouldn't be surprised if another test of the 4,000, but you know, we're breaking, we're down. You know, that's what I was looking earlier. I was looking at this. We're so close. Look, we want to break it. Look, don't be surprised if today is the day. But we want to break that 200 EMA. Look at this weekly candle on Ethereum. This is Ethereum. Don't be surprised. We break up and we follow a rally that is geared towards melting phases. So be in the lookout for that. And now, for the main story of the day, you need to understand that while you have been paper handing your bags, while you have been feeling wrecked, while you have just selling everything at the bottom, the whales have been accumulating everything that exists on the Ethereum chain, baby. They're just gobbling everything on the Ethereum chain. Look at this. Whales and institutions are accumulating Ethereum ecosystem tokens. The Aave Bank withdraw 21,000 Aave tokens. Also, Uni tokens. Also, Ethereum. Also, Link. Also, ENS. Everything withdrawing from. So they went to Binance. Bought, and now they just sent it all. They just sent it all to their wallets. And you can see that the Aave Bank, one of the biggest whales on the market, have been just gobbling up everything that they can in preparation for the ETF approval. That's all we're doing. Preparation of the ETF approval. When will this ETF approval take place? Around the 18-ish? Around the 18-ish? We'll see. What I do know is this. There's a ton of cash on the sidelines. The total stable coin market cap just broke a new all-time high, baby. And what does this mean? There is a ton of cash on the sidelines. The printer has been printing more USDC, more USDT, more DAI, more PayPal stable coins. All the stable coins market, the printer has been on and on and on. And that market cap has been going up and up and up. But here is the kicker. While the printer has been on, they have not been purchasing coins yet. So all that cash continues to be on the sidelines, because while we saw the amount go up, we didn't see an outflow following Bitcoin or Ethereum yet. So that tells you that we are right now, there's a ton of cash on the sidelines and everybody's like, hands up. Nobody moves. Nobody touch the buy button. Nobody touch the sell button. Let's wait for the German government to get the hell out of here. And then you will see all this cash flowing the market. Everything is just getting ready. Everybody is on preparations for the big day, just like we have been in preparations for the big day here at the Degen Forest with our beautiful Mula token and the Degen wallet from a long time. We have been waiting on this, and we're so close. Just a couple more weeks, guys. We gotta wait for the king to move. We cannot move before Bitcoin. We gotta allow Bitcoin to move, then we move. So I hope you're ready for what's coming. So if you have not yet, join the tribe today. You may want to join the tribe today. You still have time. All right, what else we got going on? So that's it for the news. And now I just want to move, before I get to talk a little bit about the Degen wallet, the Degen Forest, and some of the things we got ongoing, I want to show you some of the best, memes of the of the last few days, because we gotta enjoy the memes, guys. We gotta enjoy the memes. The memes are always fun. So let's go to our good old friend Naive accounts and see, when the day Def posts about utility, but the coin is down 90%. So here I am posting about utility, letting you know about our business model, letting you know that we have clear paths to revenue, letting you know that we have a very functional wallet that is about to generate revenue that is going to be used to buy back our tokens and then, burn them. But nonetheless, the market, the yields are not paying attention. The market keeps going down, and this is how we feel. This is how we feel. Shit, we know what's coming, but shit, I know we cry sometimes. We see people cheating. We see people exiting, and we can just wonder, what are they thinking? They don't know what's coming. They don't know anything about our business model yet. So this is kind of how it feels. Portfolio down 80%. Mental health equals unstable. Relationship, AI girlfriend. But when Bitcoin pumps 6%, me and my crypto bros just get to celebrating. And this is how we're gonna look back into this, and we're gonna be telling our nephews that we were here the day that Germany once had 50,000 Bitcoin, and they just dumped them. They just dumped them in the market. Remember that there is the pentagon, there is the hexagon, there is the octagon, but there is also the portfolio gun. Portfolio gun. Be careful with that one. Be careful. Be careful with the portfolio gun. Expectation of the halving. That's the expectation. Yeah, that's what we all want to see, but what is really happening? This is what's really happening. What can we say? What can we do? Right? Expectations versus reality. When my portfolio goes from $400 to $420 overnight, you feel pumped up. You feel like doing it. You feel like crushing it. While the whole market is going down, but you have been here for 7 years already, and this is nothing new to you. What else? What else? Crypto guys celebrating a 10% pump after a 50% dip. Let me look. Right? Woo! Look at the face. What the hell, guys? We're down 50%. We're down 50%, man. What are you celebrating at, man? That's crypto. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. And if you want to put, if you want to get a medal, if we were to get a medal for every bad trade we have ever done, here you have it. Here you have it. This is how we're gonna look. If I were to have a medal for every bad trade I have ever done, this is how my uniform will be looking like right about now. Crypto is a fun, stress-free way to invest, says Jacob, 24 years old. Hey guys, stress-free, right? We buy bottoms, we sell tops. Don't get caught in the 50-minute chart, because if you do, you're gonna be ending up like our friend Jacob here. Oh yeah, stress-free way to invest. Losing a $100 bill, losing $10,000 in crypto. And if you are asking why Bitcoin is going down, all we can ask you is, first time, bro? Is this your first time? Is this your first time? Oh my God, we got some good news. We got some good memes. We got some definitely good memes coming up. Where's the monkey calling the Bitcoin CEO? I think I had Bitcoin calling the Bitcoin CEO. I think I had it somewhere. Where do I have it? I think I missed it. We're back. All right, I think we're done with it. We're done with memes. That's it. I hope you enjoy some memes. Trying to keep it fun, guys. Let's keep it fun. That's all we can do while we wait. Calm. If you are in Mula, you're good. Maybe you're looking at the Mula chart, asking yourself, wait a minute. I mean, we're going down, Degen. We're going down, of course. We just had our tokens unlocked. The market is cheating the bed. Right? And we got JITs. Jitting. Let them jit. They just don't know what's going on. So you may be asking, but Degen, why is people selling the Mula token? Those sellers just don't know what is really going on. That is the fact. Because if you are here, you know that you should not be selling until the token burns begin. If you have not been doing token burns, if you sell any of your Mula tokens before we begin doing token burns, man, I don't know what to tell you. I honestly don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to say, man. You are exiting too early. You may have a 2x or a 3x. That's nothing. So, I mean, what are you doing? I want to check if our Mula page already came out. Okay, let me see if we're live. No, we're not live yet. We're waiting. This page is going live soon. Don't pay attention to everything you see here through this camera right now. I'm just checking to see if the page was up. It's not up yet, but this page is coming live soon. And you're gonna be able to see our chart. You're gonna be able to see everything, a lot of the data. You will be able to keep the pulse of our project. Let them jit. If you wanna sell because you don't know what's going on, sell. Please be my guest, because the fun starts after Bitcoin moves. We cannot do anything until Bitcoin does the move. Understand that. Doing that, it will be a premature ejaculation. Right? That's the best way to put it. I'm sorry. That's the first word that came to my mind, right? It will be a premature jit, right? Don't be a premature jit. Don't do that. Wait for the king to move. Wait for the parabola. And then if you want to sell, sure, sell. I'm not gonna take anything against you if you sell. You know why? Because here at the Degen Forest, we don't care if you sell. We got a sustainable business model. We have a clear path to revenue, and 33% of that revenue will be used to buy back Mula tokens and burn them, baby. So, if you're selling your Mula tokens before that has commenced, what are you doing? For the love of God. What are you doing? So much work, so much effort to finally get your hands on some Mula tokens, and you're gonna jit out for just 2x, for just 3x? That makes no sense. Wait for the token burns, or wait for the top of the market on Q1 2025 and make some real Mula. Make some real money with this. I mean, selling before that, guys, I'm just being honest with you. Selling before that, I don't know what you're doing. So we got the Mula page that is going to be coming live very soon. You're going to be able to access it from here. This is also going to go live today. We added a whole new section to the website. So this button will also go live today. If you want to see our CoinGecko, our CoinMarketCap and DEX tools, you got the links right here. But we got this page, and wait until you see it, because I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it, and you're gonna only see the first section. So today we're just gonna release the first section of that page. We got so much more coming up. There's gonna be more sections being added to the bottom of that page. Wait until you see it. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So, and if you want to know more about our business model, it's very simple. We have a Degen wallet and we have a Degen Vault. Both of those technologies generate revenue. The Degen wallet is working and ready. It's ready. The only wallet in the space, the only mobile wallet in existence that allows you to take Aave loans, directly from the wallet. No other wallet allows you to do this. No other wallet lets you take Aave loans natively within the wallet. No other wallet allows you to sell your NFTs natively within the wallet. Just a couple of the features that this amazing technology have, but we got so many stuff that I will be here for another 2 hours just to show you all the stuff that we have packed into this wallet. Here we have the Aave loan section, you got the deposit section, you got the borrow section, and this, you know, this technology generates revenue. We can charge you fees when you do swaps. We charge a fee when you do an Aave loan. Every time you do any value-added transaction that is more convenient to do through our wallet, that if you were to go do it directly on Aave, for example, we're going to charge a very small fee, a lower fee than MetaMask. So we are way cheaper than MetaMask, by the way, but 33% of all that revenue, unlike MetaMask, because they don't share their revenue with you. No, they keep all that revenue for their pockets, in case you didn't know. Oh, you didn't know that? MetaMask, Phantom, Rainbow, Exodus, all of those wallets, they have been milking profits out of your back pockets, and they have been sharing zero with you. They don't have a token. Where is the MetaMask token? Where is the Phantom token? Understand that they are taking advantage of you as you continue to share their apps with all your friends. Because every time you want to shield your bags to your friends, they need a wallet. The first thing they need if they want to join is a wallet. But when you send them to Phantom and when you send them to MetaMask, you get zero for it. But they definitely keep all that revenue for themselves. Not here. The Degen wallet is a sustainable business model that allows you to, us to share a big chunk, not just a small chunk, but a big chunk of that revenue with you, the users, and we do that through the Mula token buy and burn mechanisms. We're telling you right here, 33% of all the fees collected inside the wallet will be used to buy back Mula tokens and burn them on the open market, baby. That's it. That's it. Once you understand that, then you know that the Mula token is your guaranteed ticket to the moon this cycle. So I hope you get a bag. I hope you see the light. I hope you see what is that we have been working on, and I hope that you see how is that we plan to deploy this bad boy as the Bitcoin is going through the parabola phase. And if you have any questions about our model, what is that we're doing, and what is that, how is that everything works, you can come to our FAQ section right here, and you will be learning what is the primary aim of the Degen Forest. You will learn how is that we ensure through our wallet a seamless user experience. You can also learn how our Degen wallet generates revenue. You can also learn what is the utility that is present for all our NFT, our Degen apes, our NFT token hodlers. A lot of benefits for them. But also, what is the utility of the Mula token? You can see right here. And how does the burning of Mula tokens benefit the community? If you want to know, that is right here. We're telling you full transparency about how our model works. With everybody else, you have to hope. With everybody else, you are just riding on pure vibes. Fugazi, it's all smoke and mirrors. Tell me, look at your bags. Look at every bag in your portfolio and tell me, how does that bag plans to make money? Number one, how does that project plans to transfer a portion of that money to you? Newsflash, baby, they don't. None of them do. How, until when are you going to keep buying bags that don't have your best interest in mind? Until when are you going to continue to give these Fugazi tokens billions of dollars on valuation when they offer you nothing in return? Until when are you going to keep supporting companies that all they do is extract value out of your back pockets instead of adding value into your back pockets? Here at the Degen wallet, we're going to change that. That's what we're going to do. we're gonna change that. Everybody needs a wallet, period. It doesn't matter which one, you need a wallet. So you may as well get compensated for it, don't you think? Especially when you know that the wallet is the only business model presently in this industry generating revenue 24/7, regardless if you are in a bull market or in a bear market. The wallet continues to make money if you're buying or if you are selling, and we're gonna continue to use 33% of that revenue to buy back those tokens and burn them. It doesn't get more simple than that. So buy a Mula bag today, position yourself, and don't let the paper hands fool you, because we're going to the moon. And if you are one of those dudes that sold during this market, I am sorry for you. What can I say? I've been warning you. I've been telling you. I've been expressing every single day. I've been telling you in Telegram, here, every live stream. Rex, JITs are going to get wrecked. JITs are going to get wrecked. We have not yet deployed the true liquidity. We have not yet launched the wallet into the public. We have not yet kickstarted our revenues, our fees collection. We have not yet started our token launch, our token burns. All of that will take place over the next couple months. And we're gonna kickstart that fund when Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, baby. So when Bitcoin hits a new all-time high in the next couple of weeks, that's when we start. That's when here at the Degen Forest, we roll our sleeves and we go to town. And when that happens, get ready, because we're about to fly hard. And I hope you already have a bag, because if you don't have the bag, man. What can I say? What can I say? Join the tribe today. Don't get caught with your pants down. And with that said, I just need to make you understand. Now, before I go into questions, let's do this. Maybe you need a better understanding of our business model. So let me explain our business model a little bit better to you.
Degen Forest is a decentralized autonomous organization that builds Web3 technology to help you manage your finances independent of traditional banks. With the help of our loyal community, we have created the Degen Wallet and the Degen Vault, a powerful software and hardware wallet combination where users can manage their digital assets, swap currencies, buy and sell NFTs, and access DeFi functionalities, all from a single secure mobile platform. Members who own a Degen Forest NFT have exclusive access to beta test the latest updates of our Degen Wallet and our Degen Vault. You can also enjoy free transactions within the Degen Wallet and earn Mula tokens on every transaction you make as a token of appreciation for supporting our development. We generate revenue through a small fee on DeFi transactions and hardware wallet sales. 33% of this revenue goes towards further product development and operations. Another 33% goes to our DAO reserve for our members to vote on what they want to do with them. And the final 33% is used to buy and burn Mula tokens in the open market every month. That's how we transfer the revenue generated by our products and services to our loyal community members, increasing the value of their Mula tokens. Join us today and unlock a world of financial freedom in the new era of crypto with the Degen Forest.
That's right. That's how our business model works. So until you see us buying a bunch of Mula tokens in the open market and burning them, hands off the chart, baby, because this is not the time. It's not the time to sell. This is not the time to sell your Mula tokens. And with that said, I just want to let you know that I want to be your friend. And after that, I want to answer all of your questions. So I just want to ask you, can I be your friend?
Can I be your friend?
That's right. What happened there? Huh? That's it. All we want is to be friends. Give you the information, unfiltered, raw information about how the markets are moving, and I hope that you enjoy the content enough so that you can smash the subscribe. At least give us the like. I mean, you have been here watching this. I hope that at least I have said something that you liked. At least one thing that I have done here today to earn that like, because the like button is the way you pay us content creators. It's the way you reward us. We do all of this work, and the way we do it for free, not for free. All we want from you is a simple like. So if you have not yet smashed that like button, please do so. It means a whole world to us, and it's just a simple tap to you. So I hope you do it. I hope you do it. So with that said, let's get into the Q&A. And I see a question, a nice question coming up. I see here Randomize asking, what are the marketing plans for the future? Great question. And as I've been revealing here during these past few shows, we are just waiting for the king to move, and then we move. We have several things aligned. Number one, we got many more exchange listings coming. Not one, not two, not three. We got many more coming. We want to be on as many exchanges as possible, but we're gonna kickstart our scheduling again. Remember, if you have been here, we got delayed because of the P2B exchange situation. We are past that. Everybody has their tokens on their hands. Everybody has been able to withdraw from the P2B exchange already. So we are already in communications with the next exchange that we're gonna be listing on. If you are in Telegram, if you are inside our Telegram, you may know the name of that exchange already, because I did spill the beans over there a few days back. But if you are not in Telegram, then you don't have access to that alpha. So my advice to you is click the link on the description, join our Telegram channel, because over there you will know exactly. You scroll up, look over the conversations. I did spill the beans for those that were paying attention. So you may know, we're going to that exchange next, a big exchange. Everybody here knows the name of that exchange. Most people here already have an account on that exchange. That's the best thing that I can do here. So we're gonna go into several exchange listings. Our market makers are ready to do their magic there as well. But after Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, we're gonna be doing our airdrops. We're gonna be doing the airdrops for the NFT, for the early backers, for the bread community, OG bread community on Ethereum. They're getting an airdrop as well. But before that, or alongside that, we're gonna be also doing our wallet public launch. Remember this, all our marketing revolves around the wallet. All our marketing revolves around the wallet. We are not here to push a token. That's what everybody else does. Everybody else is here, buy this token, buy the token. For what? For what, bro? Why should I buy that token? No. Here we don't market the token. Don't get me wrong, we do market the token, but all the efforts, all the energy, the bulk of the energy goes towards marketing the app, the wallet app, a free to install app. And we can use the traditional marketing channels. I don't need to be begging influencers to speak about me. I am a wallet. I am an app. So I can go to Facebook, I can go to TikTok, I can go to Taboola, I can go to Outbrain, I can go to Google Play, I can go to Google Play ads, I can go iOS ads, I can use the look-alike pixels on Facebook that are for improved targeting. We can do events that tie the pixels to the swap, so we can tell the algorithms that we want to gain more users that are swapping. So when those people come in, so we're gonna release the app. When all those users come in and start using the app for their regular Web3 transactions, we're gonna start generating revenue, the same way the Phantom wallets generates revenue, the same way the MetaMask wallet generates revenue. And then we're gonna use 33% of all of that revenue to buy back the Mula tokens and burn them, and that is what is going to pump the Mula token. So what is going to pump the Mula token is not me chilling Mula token, because why should you buy a token that has zero utility? What is going to pump the Mula token is users in the app getting value from the app and paying a fee for the use, and then us using those fees to buy back the token and burn it. So if you want to spread the word, if you want to help us, you don't need to tell others, oh, go buy the Mula token. All you have to tell them is, hey, you're in crypto, use this wallet. I don't care what project you are on. I don't care if you are here because you want to buy meme coins, you want to buy bread, you want to buy Shiba, you want to buy Flocky. I don't care. Use the Degen wallet, right? Oh, I don't care if you're here to bet your undies on RWA, if you're here to follow the AI narrative, if you are here just to bet everything on meme coins. I don't care what are you going to buy. I don't care if you want to buy NFTs or if you want to buy tokens. Just use the Degen wallet, bro. You need a wallet for all of that anyways. You need a wallet for all of that anyway. So if you are going to join the cryptocurrency industry, use the Degen wallet, please. So that is what you're telling your friends. You're not telling your friends, buy this token. Oh, you should buy this token. Oh, this token is about to moon. You should buy it. That is not the marketing message here. The marketing message here is, oh, you're in crypto. Have you seen the Degen wallet yet? Have you been using the Degen wallet yet? No? You're missing out. You may want to check it out. I don't care. Oh, but I am on Polygon. It works on Polygon. Oh, but I am on Base. It works on Base. Oh, but I am on Bitcoin. That is coming soon. Oh, but I am in Solana. That is also coming soon. So, you want to take a loan? You can do that. You want to sell an NFT? You can do that. Everything from the Degen wallet. You don't have to buy the Mula token to use the Degen wallet. You do not need to buy the Mula token to use the Degen wallet. It's using the Degen wallet what gives a value to the Mula token, not the other way around. I hope you guys understand that, because the moment you do, it will click on your head. And you will realize that the Mula token is the best possible token you can purchase before this market goes bananas. Those are the facts, but I am biased because I am the founder. Right? I am just a monkey on the internet after all, right? Do your own research. Download the app. Check it out. Does it have potential? Better potential than that other bag you have? Do the assessment. Do you have any wallet token in your portfolio? Why nobody else is telling you to follow the wallet narrative? Because Phantom doesn't have a wallet, a token, and MetaMask doesn't have a token. They are all stealing money out of your back pockets. We want to change that. That's the reality. We want to change that. We want to flip that on its head, and we made a wallet that is easy to use for you, but it's also rewarding you when you use it instead of rewarding the back pockets of the team. It's that simple. So if you don't have a bag, get it. Get a bag. Get a bag. Yes, I can do ads on Facebook. I can do ads on Instagram, Flary Donna. I can do ads on TikTok. And I only pay, hear me out, it's pay per install. So I don't pay unless somebody installs and downloads and installs the app. I don't pay unless the event pixel fires when somebody opens the wallet and creates a wallet for the first time. And it's based on that pixel data where we can instruct the AI inside Facebook to go find me all those people that look alike those people who are using our app. So if you guys understand, if anybody here understand how direct response marketing works, then you know that all our marketing budget will result in real tangible results, because we are not here dumping our marketing budget on the feet of influencers that will just mention you once and move on. We are not here trying to get others to shield our token so that the token can go to the moon. No. What? No, we have a real technology capable of adding real value to you and capable of generating real revenues. And is that revenue what is gonna pump the token? Is not us burning our marketing imagine that. Giving all, that's what every project does, by the way. That's what every project does. You give them money and they grab that money and they dump it on the feet of shady influencers so that they can pump the token and send it to the moon. That's not what we're doing here, guys, because that will last, what, 1 month, 2 months? Once that influencer stops talking about us, the coin will crash. You don't want that. You want real technology, sustainable business incomes, supporting that token. You want the value of the token be driven by the value of the product, not the other way around. Let's change the world. Let's change how things are done in this market. I hope you get it. I hope you get it. So let me see. I think that's pretty much it. That's all the questions we have. Let me scroll up to see if I'm missing any. I want to know, buddy. You want to know what? Huge development. So accurate. Bullish gonna be massive. Thank you everybody for all the comments. I don't know what's going on with X. I know we have a bunch of people on X. Big shout out to all our viewers on X. But for some reason, X have not been feeding me with comments nor the live view. So I cannot see. Usually we have, 150, 200 people live on X during these shows. But today we may have more. I don't know. For some reason, X have done a change where now I cannot see the live view count on my feed. So big shout out to everybody on X. And if I have not been interacting with you, just know that for some reason I cannot see your comments. I'm gonna check during the weekend to see if I can figure out why that is happening. But right now, I know I am live on X, but I cannot see like I used to, how many viewers, how many comments, all of that good stuff that we're used to see. So anyways, thank you for watching. That's it for today. Thank you everybody for showing up. Thank you for all the hard work. Thank you for moving in. We're looking for Degens. We're looking for hustlers. We're looking for those people that don't allow themselves to be shaken out by bear traps in the markets. Are you one of those? I hope you are. So I will leave you with our Degen, our official, in case you didn't know, we have an official song here at the Degen Forest. So I hope that you enjoyed. I will see you all on Monday, same time, same place. But until then, remember that it's not about the money. It's about the freedom.
Where the Degens at? From the bull to the bear, the warriors are there. Is that you? Where the Degens at? Had to start at the bottom. From the bull to the bear, both beasts out and bottom. If you want them, don't flaunt them, cause seasons change into autumn. Deep by the NFTs, if you can name it, I got them. The market's dried out, but you can't get rid of me. You can find out. We see the fake liquidity, we just vibe out. Twitter spaces, synergy, bull markets coming back, blast off to infinity. It just matters what I do, it don't matter what they did to me. Racking up these coins, I'ma stack them individually. Building in the bear, I know all the whales are sick of me. Workshop, they talk, but they can't fade the epitome. Are you against us, or are you for us? The pressure in the bear market, yeah, it forged us. I'm talking traits on traits, I'm talking gas war fate. I'm talking rugs and weights, it's gonna be hard to ignore us. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Where the Degens at? Had to start at the bottom. From the bull to the bear, both beasts out and bottom. If you want them, don't flaunt them, cause seasons change into autumn. Deep by the NFTs, if you can name it, I got them. The market's dried out, but you can't get rid of me. You gon' find out. We see the fake liquidity, we just vibe out. Twitter spaces, synergy, bull markets coming back, blast off to infinity. I refuse to lose with the chip stack against me. Gonna make it to the top no matter how long it takes me. Know my IRL friends starting to think that I'm crazy. I keep earning and learning cause all these failures done raised. I've been racked, been rugged, but it don't ever faze me. Cause I keep coming back stronger, ain't ever lazy. Same ones used to hate me, same one that praised me. I'm a crypto DJ till I'm pushing up days. Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you an underdog, a degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna underdog, a degen, a survivor? Are you a hustler? Are you a grinder? Are you still building in the bear? I wanna find you. Where the degens at? Had to start at the bottom. From the bull to the bear, both B-side and bottom. If you want them, don't flaunt them, cause seasons change into autumn. DeFi the NFTs, if you can name it, I got them. The market's dried out, but you can't get rid of me, you gon' find out. We see the fake liquidity, we just vibe out. Twitter space is synergy, bull market's coming back, blast off to infinity. And the lost